sounds like it's like struggling to breathe and it can't. Have you ever had like a really bad cold and that's what it sounds like when you breathe through your nose?
Moreover, I'm thinking that's the sound of like two elderly people getting it on.
Yes! Yes! Oh yeah! It's, I broke my hand!
I really want to go into the nursing home that's right next to my school, go buy a room, and do that. Imagine a bunch of telephone squeaks and then suddenly hearing that.
Oh yeah, close.
Generic telephone makes weird peaking noises.
Yeah, I'm gonna be the weirdest angel dragon out there.
There's a pig outside.
Yes. Huh?
God damn it.
I can vote back. Look out, America.
I don't know what to say.
Someone said that.
Hey.
I have
Like
many.
800 times better.
I have many.
Right here. You're killing Randy.
Your tail doesn't match. You can't do the meow meow voice. I need inspiration. I need to put on the meow.
It's like a tea kettle going on. If it doesn't have a name it tea kettle.
Oh, that's great. I'm gonna name it tea kettle now. Woo! What? You did say that's not your top.
Come.
Meow meow.
If that's not my
That sounds utterly ridiculous. King Meow Meow is not wearing a hat.
I like the harmonization.
Oh my god, somebody needs to win another one of those. We have two people to win it.
I'm gonna try. I'm gonna fail, but I'm gonna try.
My hands are backwards.
And on that day, she realized all was
I know I'm going to.
I need an adult.
You are an adult.
I need an adult. Oh God. Oh God. My hand. Someone fix it. I fought a nom. My tail's on my body. Thanks. Oh no! Big head. Shrapnel! Oh God! I made that. How have you not seen that before?
I turned the air down too, so
Oh, perfect.
see if that works too. Another thing, guys, about
Sounds like a fucking caribou. Like if anybody's seen Polar Express, sounds like a caribou. Shows no love. Bounces. Oh God. Oh my God, it has an apple. I thought it had an asshole, but it doesn't. I thought I saw a hole. Like, oh my God. It had an asshole, but
it's anatomically correct.
Somebody killed it.
Kill it with fire.
Wait. Let's see if this works.
I fixed it. I think. Yeah. Crazy, that's been small.
You suck it.
You want to go
Huh?
Do it. I'm not set this machine up.
Ow, man, it hit me.